What's poppin', everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and yes indeed, I broke my wrist, my right wrist, and I'm right-handed. So being in the trades, I thought what better way to create a video on how do you make money when you can't go to work anymore. Now me personally, I've invested in a lot of real estate over the years. I have digital courses, I have online courses, I have several different income streams, so I won't be affected by this, and I still continue to work. But without a doubt, my income from the flooring industry is going to plummet temporarily. And I thought to myself, with so many contractors out there, most don't think about the what ifs and what happens if they get injured, they get sick. So I thought, let's put together a video on what do you do if you can't go to work for a set period of time and how do you survive in that. So first things first, and I'm going to relate all this to the carpet and flooring industry, but this will convert over to whatever trade you're in. I've always stressed the fact about having a long list of contacts. So what I would do first is reach out to any other installers in your trade that you could sub work to. Now, we've had countless videos on this, and this creates a lot of headaches dealing with subcontractors not actually being you and not delivering the quality that you can. But at the end of the day, dealing with the stress from them and having a smaller income stream coming in to offset your expenses is better than nothing. So work with other crews first, continue to sell jobs, and then just get a piece of the action so you can continue to live without stressing about your bills. Next, what I would do is go in on those sales skills. And if you don't have sales skills, just start, because the only way to get good is to continue doing. And I would start wholesaling products. So if, like I said, in the carpet industry here, I would go to my distributor, and this is actually what I'm doing right now. Everything they have sitting on the shelves that I could buy at a discount, deep discount, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put together small packages. Then I'm gonna go to my contact list and do these remnant buyouts to all the landlords I know. And I'm just gonna basically broker these deals and keep my income streams through that. So if you don't have any contacts whatsoever, I think Craigslist actually charges $5 for an ad now. I would find out whatever your suppliers or suppliers in the areas have sitting on the shelf. Say, I would like to sell this. I'm either going to be the middleman and I'm going to mark it up and sell it, or I want you to pay me a commission of 10%, 20% for me unloading these. If you have no contacts whatsoever, run ads on Craigslist and Facebook, generating contacts, and broker these deals. So if you put together a bundle of carpet remnants that you could buy for 50 and you could sell them for 80 to the end consumer, start hammering those out. Do those quick little $30 flips. And a lot of times the supplier won't even charge you up front. So you could just play middleman and keep the spread on it without risking your own money. Next, all those people that do buy from you, save their contact information. I would say 2 to 3 days after they buy from you, send them a thank you text that you appreciate their business, blah, blah, blah. And if they know anybody else that's in the market, feel free to let me know. And then you go ahead and generate your income stream from that. So those are the first two there. I would work with subcontractors to cover your workload, get a kickback from them. Next, I'd start wholesaling product that's sitting on the shelf from your suppliers in your area, so you're not losing out completely on your income streams. And then next, I would tap into whatever my side hustle skill is. So some of you might be good at building websites, you might be good at doing video promotions, you might be good at podcasting on the side. Whatever you could do to promote and create an additional income stream that doesn't, involve you physically doing the work, or even just posting ads for somebody. Something that you could be sitting on your couch using your cell phone to go ahead and create. I would tap into that next. And you could use platforms like Fiverr.com to promote on. That's completely free. They take 20% of your hustle, but they'll bring the customers to you, which is kind of cool. And then go to Facebook Marketplace, and then your existing contact list in your phone. So just because you have an injury setback does not mean your income stream is going to dry up, and there's no reason to sit around and pout and say, well, I'm hurt, I can't work. You should always be hustling every time of the day, any extra moment you have. So if you want to learn more about side hustles, I can go on and on about this and all the different income streams I have outside of the flooring industry. Feel free to comment below. I will create additional videos on this, and we'll kind of track my journey here, see how much money I lose this month because of this and what I've done to generate new income streams as well. So as always, I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.